Well, this is behind the house right here.
All right, so we're getting a problem with water. It comes around when it rains. We put up the gutters, but we still get water that comes off the hill and it rains. And then the water comes around this corner, and you can see we've got a nice curve here, but it's pushing all the water to the house. And that's what this does. So unfortunately, they did one side, but they didn't do the other. So what we're gonna do is we're going to build, this is the entrance to the house too in the back. I'm gonna build this walkway up so the water can't get in. And then we're gonna build a circle. We're gonna have it come in here like this and go around, come in here, and then we're gonna curve this along the house all the way around. So all the water gets funneled in this channel and then gets pushed around the house. Because right here, it just sits right here and then it's leaking into the house. So it's another project in the many projects of our home. But once we get it done, it should be wonderful. Wonderful, I tell you. This thing's been the bane of my existence. No one has taken the time to get it out. I'm getting it out. I think I can reuse these. Putting in the windowsills. All right, we're prepping the kitchen, getting it ready. We're gonna do the ceilings and the walls soon, so. Bonjour, Philippe.
Bonjour, bonjour. J'ai fait que le bas. J'ai pas encore fait le haut.
Je veux un sauvage.
Oui, fond. Ce qu'il y a, c'est que regarde tout ça.
You have to trim out the dead stuff, Jen.
Tout ça, c'est mort.
Sauvage is fine, but it can't be dead sauvage.
Là, ça, c'est mort. Ça sera jamais sauvage. Et ça, c'est la maladie.
Je comprends.
D'accord? La maladie, il faut l'enlever. Pour que le reste devienne plus sauvage. Comme là, tu vois, ça va dire sauvage. Là, je vais laisser monter pour devenir sauvage.
Philippe said he trimmed the trees over here to open up our view a little bit. So let's see how that looks.
He cut the trees. He
Il a
cut
coupé les arbres.
from here, from up here.
Oh, c'est magnifique.
Oui.
It's not too. Mais ça, did he cut this?
No. Okay.
Arrête. Lui, il me frappe.
Là, du coup, regarde. Je vais passer comme ça.
Okay, it's Saturday night. Victor is about to show up to finish this project, get the stones right, get the shelves right. Moving on to the next project. As we pointed out in the earlier video, these shelves are very crooked. So what I'm doing here is just putting a level on the shelves, drawing where level is on the wall, and then letting Victor put stones up next to that line so that the shelves look like they're being supported by the rocks, which they will be.
Désolé du retard. Ça va? Ça va? Je devais être là 1 heure avant.
Victor, I cut.
Ah ouais.
This board, see I put this on?
Ouais.
This will go here, I put another one here. This will go like this, so we can now add very tight, very tight. So it will go flush. We'll go flush and then we put the beam on top.
The beam, ouais, yes, ouais. La poutre elle vient contre.
We, and then the underboard,
En dessous.
we make the cut, tick, tick, comes here, and the boom, and then the other one goes here. And I will put a strip here to now.
The sun has arrived.
Oh my God, it's been a long winter.
I'm so excited because we're going to go check out Victor's work in the salon today to see. I think he's finished up the stone wall, minus the joints. He hasn't done the grout yet.
All right, da 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 da.
Let's see.
Oh. Oh la la.
Dark in here.
Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, it's gonna be so cozy, especially with that white stone. And remember, we're gonna put a nice big mirror on here as well.
Yep.
So you're gonna have the sofa right here.
Big
Plus all
L-shaped
the
sofa.
sofa. The angled stone there.
Yep, he hasn't gotten to this part yet.
It's coming along.
It sure is.
And you know, the work that's being done now, minus Victor, the stone stud, everyone else that's in here, you'll see little Matteo, Raphael, those are all just pretty much demo guys doing all the brunt, the big, the messy work.
Yeah.
But our true professionals are coming in the next couple weeks.
Yeah.
Our plaster guy,
Middle of February we start.
the tile guy. Let's look at this. This is the
Oh yeah, I didn't even see that. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Good work. I'm gonna get a picture. I want to see it. I want to see how it looks in the rooms together. Yeah, see, that's nice. That's nice. It's gonna follow right through. Beautiful.
All right, off to a beautiful Sunday. A bientôt.
A bientôt.